This is really what this little loud ass bitch sounds like when I'm trying to fucking sleep at 2 something in the morning. Y'all can't tell me I ain't mad.